Hi guys, good morning. How are you today? Hope everyone is fine and their day is in a good day, okay? Good vibes lang tayo guys. Always a smile when you start your day. Okay guys, so now I'm going to give you another health tips which is one also of the sexually transmitted infection. Okay guys, HIV, human immunodeficiency. Okay, virus. So, human immunodeficiency virus are in two species of lentivirus, okay, a subgroup of retrovirus. In most cases, HIV is sexually infection. Okay, so what does human immunodeficiency virus cause? Okay, human immune deficiency virus is caused or it's a virus that attacks body immune system. Without treatment, it can lead to age acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Okay, there is currently no effective cure on this, but there is prevention. Okay, so once people get HIV, they have it for life. Okay, so once you are infected, kung na-infect na kag HIV, you will carry it for the rest of your life. So mao nang mag-amping. Okay, how long can you live with HIV without knowing? So hantod kanusa daw kuno ka mudugay kung naa kay HIV nga wala ka kabalo. So it can take 10 years or more for HIV to show any symptoms. Agoy, pagkadugaya ba? Or much longer than that for people who take HIV medicines. That's why it's really important to get tested for HIV regularly if you had unprotected sex or shared needles. Okay, so kanang mga adik-adik di ana nga mag-inject sila og mga drugs and then they don't know that their partners who got that injection is a positive IV infection. Okay, what are the three main symptoms of HIV? So naa siya tulo ka symptoms, okay? So, fever, headache, muscle aches, and joint pain. So, mao ni siya yung common symptoms. So, usually, ma-neglect ang symptoms, no? Kaya, binato o gi-flu lang ta. So, binato normal na siya nga symptoms. Okay? What are the basics of HIV? Human immune deficiency virus is a virus that attacks the immune system. The immune system fights infections and diseases in the person's body. So, over time, HIV weakens a person's immune system so it has a very hard time fighting diseases. So, HIV causes age-acquired immune deficiency syndrome. So, mauna na sila ang cause sa HIV. Okay? When do HIV symptoms start? So, kanusa man daw ang symptoms sa HIV magsugod. HIV symptoms known as acute HIV infection symptoms typically starts within 2 to 4 weeks after exposure to the virus. So, kung naa kay sexual partner, nakatumog hotel, dayon unprotected sex, then you don't know that this person is infected with HIV, you will get that infection within 2 to 4 weeks, okay, after your exposure. And may include fever, chills, rash, sore throat, and swollen lymph nodes resembling as a bad flu. So, mura siya flu-like symptoms. These symptoms can last for a few days or several weeks. Some individuals, however, may experience no symptoms during this early stage. So, sahay wala sila'y bation kay early stage pa man siya. Okay? So, common early HIV symptoms are fever and chills, headache, muscle and joint pain, sore throat and mouth sores, swollen lymph nodes, fatigue and night sweats, diarrhea, and rash. So, mao na siya ang mga early symptoms. Important considerations, not everyone gets the symptoms. Sa giingon ako sa una. Okay, a significant number of people may not develop any symptoms during the initial stage of HIV infection. Okay, so similar to other illness, these early HIV symptoms can be easily confused with other common viral illnesses, making it difficult to self-diagnose. Kaya naaman siya resemblance sa flu symptoms. Okay? Testing is the key. The only way to know for sure if you have HIV is to get tested. Okay? So if you have having these symptoms for a long time, so you might wonder why. And you suddenly remember that you get unprotected sex a while ago, so you have to go for testing. Okay? So the virus progresses. After the early stage, HIV infection moves into a chronic or a long-term stage where symptoms may be absent for many years, but the virus continues to damage the immune system. So, mauna siya ang mga symptoms sa HIV. What are the 4 types of HIV? So, naapagyo di ay siya types. Based on different genome sequences rise from an independent cross species transmission event, we can distinguish HIV-1 groups. M is the major, O is the outlier, N is non-M, non-O, and P. Group M is the most widespread and includes a non-subtypes. So, be very careful when we are having multiple sex that we are not protected. So, take care. Okay? If you love yourself, so have one sex partners in your life to avoid this type of infection. Okay, guys? So, hope your morning today is a good morning listening to my health tips. Okay? Please like and share this video for the awareness of others. Okay? See you next time. Bye.